What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing us how to do a factory hard reset, meaning if you want to do a reset, you're able to get into your device and you're able to remove it that way. The hard reset I use if you have a passcode, and let's say you do not know the passcode for whatever reason, you forgot it or you don't know what it is, and you wanted to get into the device, you can do the factory hard reset. The hard reset will clear any kind of information that's on there in order to reset it to get it back up to a startup screen. So the first thing we're going to want to do is shut down your device, and for this option we're not able to press and hold. You're going to be using the volume down and power button. Press and hold those just to power off. It's asking us for a passcode. It's asking for the pin that or security that is on our device. To bypass that, it's got a tricky little process that you got to go through. We'll be using the volume up and down buttons and the side button. So first thing we're going to want to do is hold the volume down button and the power or the sleep button for 10 seconds. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead, we'll see a screen change. We'll go ahead, release the volume down and switch over to the volume up. This may take several tries, so don't get discouraged if you're not able to get it from the first try. So here we go for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switching over to volume up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This should take us to a Samsung screen. Once it's there, I'm continuing to hold. The Samsung screen now appears. I'm going to go ahead and release it. When the Samsung screen appears, it takes us to the Android recovery screen. Now that we are here, we will be using the volume up and down buttons to go between our screen options, and the sleep or power button is used to select the option that you have it set to. So we have a reboot system now, reboot to bootloader. We have apply update, another update from SD, wipe data factory reset. That's one that we're looking for. This is going to clear all your information that you have on there. In red, it says if your phone is reset, you may need to enter your Google account information associated with this phone. This is the one we're looking for. We're going to be using the power button to turn that to reset it, and then Android recovery, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. You're going to be losing your photos, contacts, videos, apps, anything you have on the device will be removed off of it. Reset back to factory settings. It'll turn back on at the factory startup wizard screen. So, and it says, are you sure you want to do this? We're going to go to volume down and select it to do the factory reset. And then right down here, you're able to see that it is wiping and it did everything that it needs to do. And then now we're going to be just reboot system now, pretty much turn it off and turn it back on. So we can go ahead and select that. This is pretty much after all the clearing is done, it's powering our device back up. The Samsung screen should turn on, and then we should get another screen that may take a while. The Samsung screen might take a while. It's going to take a while to clear all the information that is on your device. It's clearing everything and getting everything ready to boot back up. So this screen might take a minute. So now that the Samsung screen has disappeared, the screen has gone, and now it is starting Android. And just like that, we were back up to the home screen. Let's go Startup Wizard. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share this information with anybody who might be looking for it. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.